How to lock your Facebook profile in 2023. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook and make sure you are logged in with the account that you want to lock. After that, in the home page you can see the three dotted horizontal line which is in the right upper corner. So you have to simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you have to scroll down below and tap on settings and privacy option. After that, you have to go through the settings. So here you have to scroll down below until you find the profile locking option. So you have to simply tap on profile locking, and from there you have to read the description properly. Here, before locking your profile, it is said that only friends will see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. So it means if you lock your profile, then only your friends will be able to see your photos, posts and stories and your full-size photo, but still people will be able to search for you. After reading this all, if you are agreed, then you can simply tap on lock your profile option over here, and from there your profile will be locked. So you can see the profile has been locked. So by following this simple step, you can lock your profile in 2023. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.